Zhengzhou Ruyang Technology Company Limited, located in the high-tech industrial development zone of Zhengzhou City, Henan Province, is a national high-tech enterprise and a specialized and innovative company in Henan Province, integrating research, production, sales, and services. Our testing equipment and instruments are widely used in fields such as gas, petroleum, chemical, water supply, environmental protection, power, municipal services, heat supply, metallurgy, mining, transportation, and firefighting. Since its establishment, the company has been dedicated to gas safety, adhering to the core values of people-oriented, technological innovation, customer service, mutual benefit. We have obtained various certifications and over 100 intellectual property rights, including patents and certifications for product quality and safety standards. With an experienced R&D and management team, we invest significantly in research and development annually to enhance our products using diverse, advanced technologies and standardized processes. Upholding a commitment to excellence, we strictly control product quality with high standards and rigorous management principles, adhering to the business philosophy of talent as the foundation for prosperity and the market as the basis for development. Zhengzhou Ruyang Technology strives to provide customers with tailored products, services, and solutions to create long-term value and potential benefits. In the future, we will uphold the spirit of integrity, professionalism, progress, and excellence, aiming to lead the industry as a provider of safety products and solutions, contributing to safety initiatives, and creating a better life.